Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to show you how to generate Amazon product description just in a minute using ChatGPT. So let's go straight to ChatGPT and see what we did to last few videos. And guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. There you go, we are in ChatGPT now. So in my first video on this series, we asked ChatGPT what type of puzzle books we can create with ChatGPT, and he gave us 5 ideas. We asked him for 5 more, and he gave us 5 more ideas. After that, we asked him for an activity book, and he gave us 7 ideas. We decided to create word search book and asked him, can you give us a list of niche ideas for word search books for kids? And he gave us 10 ideas. We decided to create spring related word search. Ask ChatGPT, give me a list of 100 words for word search book for kids related to spring. He gave us this list. After that, we entered the list in a spreadsheet and create the puzzle book in Bookboat. This is the final file. So now let's create description for this puzzle book. So let's ask him, write me description of spring word search puzzle book for kids. Let me double check. Write me description of spring word search puzzle book for kids. Bam. Let's see. And you can see how fast ChatGPT is. So let's wait a few more seconds. So let's check what we've got. Welcome to the Spring Word Search Puzzle Books for Kids. This book is packed with over 50 word search puzzles that will keep kids entertained and engaged while also helping them develop their vocabulary and problem-solving skills. So far, so good. Inside, you will find a variety of spring-themed word search puzzles, including words related to flowers, animals, weather, holidays, and more. Each puzzle is designed to be challenging yet accessible, so kids of all ages and skills levels can enjoy them. Perfect. With large, easy to read print and clear instructions, this book is perfect for both independent and role play. Whether your child is looking for a fun way to pass the time, or a rainy spring day, or a quiet activity to do on a sunny afternoon, this word search puzzle book is sure to delight and inspire. So why wait? Pick up your copy of Spring Word Search Puzzle Book for Kids today and let the fun begin. Very nice call to action at the end. So let's ask him, can you write 3 benefits of word search puzzle. Book for kids. Let's double check. Can you write 3 benefits of word search puzzle book for kids? There you go. So we have 3 bullet points. We can add this in our description. We can also ask him to write title and subtitle. So let's check the bullet points. Vocabulary building, cognitive development, and relaxation and stress relief. So let's ask him to write us few titles and few subtitles. Let's say how many? 3 titles. 3 titles and 3 subtitles. It's very hard to type and speak in the same way, in the same time. Can you give me 3 titles and 3 subtitles? I can separate this actually. For Spring Word Search Puzzle Book for Kids. Let's put quotes. Let's say 3 titles. I will cut this, and after that I will ask him for 3 subtitles. And let's see what kind of titles he will give us. Can you give me... I will speed up the process. Subtitles, cut. But you should double check if those titles and subtitles are searchable in Amazon, and you can split your searches with this one. You can play and see what is perfect. So let's check the titles first. Spring Fling Word Search Puzzles for Kids, Bow Swimming Fun Spring Word Search Book for Kids, Rainy Day Word Search Spring Edition for Kids. I actually don't like them. Let's see the subtitles. Over 50 challenging puzzle to keep kids entertained. This one is nice. Develop vocabulary and problem solving skills with Spring Dam puzzles. Also good. Hours of fun for kids of all ages and skills levels. So the subtitles are good, but we need to put the most important keywords in our title and subtitle. Let's check something else. Let's add Amazon description, Amazon title. Can you give me 3 Amazon titles for book titles? Let's see this way. Let's see, probably it's going to be better. Spring Word Search for Kids 15, not. So hours of fun for ages 6 to 12. So for the title and subtitle, you should research and put the most important and the keywords with highest search volume and low competition in our title and subtitle. So let's summarize, guys. We saw that we can write description and bullet points, but for the titles and subtitles we should do keyword research, especially on Amazon, and see the keywords with high volume and with high search volume and low competition. If we can find such a keywords and put them in our title and subtitle, also in 7 keyword boxes. For the rest we can use ChatGPT. And if you don't like the main description, let me do this. You can ask him to write another one, and you can ask him as much times as you want and choose the perfect one for you. And or you can make one from the 2 or 3 descriptions. As you can see, he will give us a completely different description. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.